I see this guy here. Yeah. And he's taking forever.
I can't wait to get my paid-for copy. He, throughout the spring, is in all parts of Europe, Italy and Germany. I don't see any dates here in America. Then he's back on the road with Toto come May, again, still in Europe. Come back, Steve.
Galveston Tower, Stallion 44340 kilos. You want me to go around?
34 kilo, negative, continue. Do you see the steerman?
Yes, I see him.
All right, he's short final for runway 18. Can you follow him?
I will turn base now, 34 kilo.
All right, turn base, follow the steerman. Number 2, clear to land, runway 18, 34 kilo, winds 1308.
Clear to land, number 2, runway 18, 34 kilo.
Galveston Tower, Blanca 73 Romeo Tango is 4.5 miles out. Blanca 73 Romeo Tango, your traffic says Cessna, you're turning a mile base to final. Number 2, continue straight in 18.
Straight in 18, 70 Romeo Tango.
Steerman 272, if able, turn left on taxiway Delta.
Left on Delta, 272. We had to come down to
272, contact ground 118.62.
272. Winds left at 13? Yeah.
Bronco 3, Romeo Tango, your traffic's over the numbers. Number 2, Romeo 18, clear to land, wind 140 at 9er.
Clear to land, 70 Romeo Tango. Come on. You almost dragged the hook on the ground there.
Cessna 34 kilo, 18 approved for taxiway Delta.
This is Delta.
Cessna 34 kilo, contact ground 128.62. Correction, 118.62.
118.62, 34 kilo.